There's one major concept in terms of deploying your web application, hosting your web application. I feel like I need to talk about, right? First of all, let's talk about the difference between shared hosting and cloud hosting, right? So for shared hosting is where you deploy website and all serious landing page, portfolio websites, right? Now, shared hosting, for the word shared hosting, right? The computer that your website have been deployed on it's being shared by multiple people. You guys can be 5 sharing that single computer. So it's not advisable for you to put in heavy web applications inside of it. What is meant to be hosted on shared hosting are just landing pages, company websites, things that don't take too much traffic, right? And that's just it. So shared hosting doesn't give you the statistics of CPU being used and all the other kind of things, right? But now let's go to cloud hosting. Cloud hosting is going to give you more like a dedicated system that your website is just going to be inside of their place, right? The CPU, the RAM is being used by you. You're not sharing it with any other person, right? Now, and they will give you a graphics interface where you can actually see my site is running and this is the amount of CPU I've been using, right? This is the amount of RAM I've been using to run my operations on my site, right? And that is why it's advisable for you to host big applications in a cloud hosting. And cloud examples of cloud hosting are actually AWS, Render, Microsoft Azure, Google Cloud hosting stuff, I think, right? That's just examples. And that is where you should host your startup project that has multiple users, like things that take traffic. And those people will help you scale without stress. They will scale automatically for you, right? Now, one more thing I want to talk about before time runs out for this video is good practice on when you're trying to deploy. Never you push your .env file to any Git repo, whether it's public repo or private repo. No try and always use a .env.example to show an example of your real env file. That way you just put in the variables without putting in the values. So when someone clones your repo, he can be able to fill in the detail, the values of this env variables, and then be able to start the project and start working on it, right? Never push your env files to repo, whether private repo or public repo. No try am, you will regret that. And that's just it for today. If you're seeing my video, I want you to I want you to share this video to someone else. I know it's very educative, just share it to someone else. As I share my knowledge, as all of us are growing together, which is the most important thing, right? Just share the video and follow me. Don't just like and leave, like and follow, right? See you on the next one. Peace and love.